Brother, you sure you want to use the name, the dance impression, dance explosion.
We're just going to delve into the culture of dance.
We were not welcomed when we started doing choreography in dancehall.
This is the new millennium, a different thing I want.
You don't put a dancehall artist on a trap beat and call it dancehall. That's not how it works.
You can't tell me so because they speak patois dancehall.
No. When Jamaica went to World Cup, me choreographed all of the dance them. Bogle have a certain level of respect for me because I didn't know that the man knew me like that. Some of the people that when I teach a contemporary dance demonize our own dance. If a dancer don't come through our little island to get accreditation, then can't have no accredited force nowhere in the world. It's not everywhere in the world you go to teach a class and have a spliff on a cup when you're not doing in your hand. Don't try to over Jamaicanize yourself. You're Jamaican already. They tried twice to boycott Shelley expressions in Europe because she refused to teach men
Women dance.
women dance. Greetings and salutations. This is Orville Expressions. Them call me the dancehall professor. Look out for my interview on Open Chxt podcast. It's bad. Believe me, Dance Expressions is a staple. 23 years later.
Open Chxt podcast.
Thailand pattern, we killing them with the beat.